Was there only one Buddha? Were there other Buddhas prior to Buddha Shakyamuni? What is known about these Buddhas? There have been countless Buddhas before Shakyamuni Buddha. From the beginningless time, there's been Buddhas, and then they taught, and and the Dharma remained for a long time, and then it went off. People forgot, and then slowly another Buddha came. Then he taught, not only on this earth, but everywhere, because from Buddhist point of view, the sky is limitless, the space is limitless. So therefore there are limitless universes. So there must have been, limitless universes, beings. So therefore there have been Buddhas also. On this very earth, it is said there has been 4 Buddhas before. Buddha Shakyamuni is regarded as the 4th Buddha. And according to the predictions, there will be 1,000 Buddhas from the beginning, until this earth will kind of dissolve. So therefore, there is still 96 Buddhas yet to 996 Buddhas yet to come. So there will be lots of Buddhas, and all these Buddhas usually teach, and what they teach is, different kind of teachings. The Buddhas don't teach just what they know. Buddha, whether it's Buddha Shakyamuni or whoever, teaches what is needed for the people at that time. So therefore, Buddha Dharma, is not just one way, one path. There's many paths, many approaches, many different methods. So that's why in Dharma, in Buddhism, actually you can find many, many different paths, many, many different ways, many, many different methods. Sometimes people say that, oh, this is Eastern way or Tibetan way, and we need to find, or we need to change it, to westernize it, to become Western. Actually, there's no need. There is everything there already. You just have to find and connect with this. The teaching is so vast, Anyway, that's another story. Yes, there are, the drawings, or usually like images of many Buddhas of the past also, many, many different kind of, there's limitless actually.